Alright guys, I am back for the third and final time today. 2019-2020 Panini Prizm Basketball. I have had a hot hand today with picking cards. Box of Panini I picked for a guy at the local card shop. We had a Zion base and a Ja Morant green come out of that one. Don't know if he quite made his money back, but still phenomenal box. So let's dive right on in. I haven't opened one of these all year, and I've been waiting for it. So let's hope for a Zion auto, Ja auto. Obviously, those are the two guys. Just even a Zion or Ja base would be pretty cool. Obviously, I would like a silver of both those guys, but I will take whatever I can get. Alrighty. Empty box, guys. Alrighty. And here we go. Starting on the Prizm basketball box. Right on the back, a Kobe Bryant. That's going to be pretty sweet. Because it's Kobe. It's my boy. LeBron James, NBA finalists. Wilson Chandler and Ricky Rubio base. I'll make two piles up here. Inserts I think might be something. And base. Alrighty. Rondo for Bruno Fernando, Grant Williams, and that's going to be my autograph. Not a bad autograph, guys. Grant Williams rookie penmanship. I believe he came from Tennessee, if I remember watching college basketball right. Not a bad pick. Not a bad autograph. It could be worse. Let's just go with that. All right. Grant Williams autograph. We have a PJ Tucker red Prizm. Just leave that one up too. Alright guys, so now that we got the Zion auto eliminated and the Ja Morant auto eliminated, it is time to get some color of them and some base and kick some ass. Alrighty. Landry Shamet, Cody Martin, Dominance, and Denzel Valentine. Montrezl Harrell, Miles Omt, Trae Young, and Clyde Drexler. Westbrook, Middleton, DeAndre Dedmon Green. It's not a Zion or a Ja, but even a Zion silver would be phenomenal. That would be a big money card. PJ Washington Jr. Kobe White silver insert. PJ Washington. Case those up real quick. Hope everyone's doing well today. Alright. Let's go, guys. Come on. Let's get a Zion or a Ja. Darius Garland, rookie. Silver. Pretty well centered on that one. It's not over until it's over. Moody, Miles Turner, Jimmy Butler, silver. Put some more penny sleeves out here. Alrighty. Let's keep going, guys. Come on. Let's get a Zion or a Jaw. Malik Beasley, red. Alright. Thomas Wright, Kellen Johnson, and Kevin Porter Jr. Nothing in that bag. Come on, let's get something, guys. Jaw silver. Or Zion silver. Either one of those two guys. Even base. Come on, it's not too much to ask here. Lillard, Bledsoe, Tyler Hero, and Mike Scott. Maybe my hot hands have gone away. Maybe I picked a dead box. And free Simmons. I'm going to just keep going. Get that Zion. Or Jaw. Nothing in that one. Alrighty. Malik Honk for the Hornets, Kobe White, and Andre Drummond. Claris Lavelle. Darn it, that was almost a Zion, but it wasn't. Covington. We have another one. Pacers, Malcolm Brogdon. Darn it, guys. Come on. A little nervous now. Like to get at least something. Jordan Clarkson, silver. Down to the last 4 packs, guys. 16 cards. Can we get a Zion or a Jaw? There's a Grizzly on the back, but not a Jaw. Mo Bamba, and we got a red. Bucks, Chris Middleton. I will sleeve that one up. And Luka, Russell, and Jackson. Quentin Cook Green, Chumali Upre. It's not looking good, guys. No Zion or Jaws yet. All right, and last pack. Covington, Zubac, and not Montrezl Harrell. Wow, no Zions or Jaws guys at all in the box. Wow, that's a disappointment. That's definitely not paying back for the box. That's for sure. Pretty bummed on that. Do a recap of what I sleeved on up here. Grant Williams, penmanship. PJ Tucker, red. PJ Washington, rookie. Kobe White, silver into impact. Darius Garland. Jimmy Butler. Malik Beasley. Chris Middleton. Quinn Cook. And Montrezl Harrell. All right, guys. Well, that is all she wrote. I will see you guys next time.